My goal in life is to become a big-time model and travel to really amazing places. I really hope it happens.
So what did you think? That was real or AI? I made a video on this last week telling you about Higgsfield AI, and now they have come up with another crazy update. They have come up with Higgsfield Wan Animate, and using that you can actually take any video, you can put your face into it and it will generate a very real lifelike video animation of that. I have had a lot of fun trying it out. So let's go ahead and do that right now also. You can use it for fun or you can use it for some projects. So you can just literally just create any video that you want to or be in any movie that you want to by using Higgsfield Wan Animate. So let's do a quick demo of how you can do that. So what you'll do is you'll go to higgsfield.ai website. You'll go ahead and sign up. You can sign up using your email ID and make sure that this is only a desktop only application, so you cannot try it on mobile. And then what you can do is go ahead and check out this new feature, which is AI video generator. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and log in, and then we will click on the video tab on the top right, and then what you'll click is you'll click Higgsfield Animate. So this is the latest feature that has come up, which is the video smart replacement. And now what you can do is that the model that they use is Wan 2.2 replace. And what you can do is now go ahead and take any input video. I'm going to go ahead and put one that I took and then upload your image. Now you can put up any image that you have of yours, and it's as simple as clicking generate. Now click generate, and once you have provided your video and the character that you want to replace, wait for some time, wait for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then come back and see the video that was generated. So let's go ahead and see what was generated for us, for me right now. Okay, I'm going to play that video now. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Some of you might remember that at the start of this year, I did something called the 75 Hard, which is basically a mental toughness program with rules that sound simple, but are absolutely brutal.
Wow, that was actually very amazing and very close to the original video as well.
Some of you might remember that at the start of this year, I did something called the 75 Hard, which is basically a mental toughness program with rules that sound simple, but are absolutely brutal.
So a couple of tips if you want to try it out. Make sure that the video that you see is very, make sure that it's you who's there. The video that you're taking, the character is very clear. If there are multiple characters in the video, then you might not get the exact result that you're hoping for. And other than that, the image also that you take for yourself, it should be very clear. It should totally, completely clearly show your face. I've had this problem that if I don't choose the perfect video or the perfect image, then it's not that proper. Even the final video that is generated is not that good. So go ahead and do that and let me know what you're going to be building. And if there is some favorite movie that is there, you can go ahead and check that out. Or let's say if there is some new movie trailer which is coming in, you can go ahead and upload your image and put that into that video as well. So overall, what it will really do is that you can basically live your dream of becoming the main character in a movie or in a video. So what I truly love about Higgsfield.ai is that it's so easy to go ahead and generate your images, videos, and you have a lot of options to explore from. So if you go ahead and see character, you can do a face swap, you can do a character swap, you can do a video face swap. So it creates a realistic video face swaps of any video that you have, and then you can go ahead and put your image, or you can just try it out with different images as well. You just don't necessarily need to pick up your own image. And then there are a lot of trends as well that you can go ahead and try out.
I've got something cool. These glasses show what a person looked like in the recent past.
What took you so long to catch up, slowpoke?
I'm really excited about what you'll be building with this, because I definitely know that I'll be using some of these ads or some of these video formats in my upcoming socials as well, because it's so easy and fun to create that. And even for images, you can go ahead and create a storyboard. So you can design your story scenes. All you really need is an imagination and a couple of pics that you have, and then you can go ahead and create any story out of that. You can create any video out of that. And what I truly love is that when you are generally creating videos, you need to have everything set up. You need to take care of the background, the audio, the music, everything. But now what you can do is you can take any video which is available from here, and then you can just take your photo and image it. It will do a clone of your face. And there's also another feature which is there, which is the voice clone. So you don't always have to be ready to record your audio as well. You can just go ahead and do a voice clone, and then you can upload that as well. So just go ahead and do a voice clone of your voice and then use it in any future videos. So that was it for the video. I just really wanted to show you about this coolest latest update from Higgsfield.ai, because I generally feel that the more you try out these technologies, the more you are aware about what are the new updates, the better you will be ahead of, the better you will be, and you will be ahead of everyone else who is not keeping up with AI or not using these latest AI tools. So that's why I wanted to share this with you, and please let me know if you create any fun video or anything. Make sure you tag me because I would love to see your creations. And that's it for the video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.